Now this is a cracking value for money Land Rover Defender. 2021-21 plate 110 in Fuji white. This is a D250S, it's a 3-litre diesel engine with some lovely features in a brand new condition with 10,000 miles on, one owner from new. It really is great value for money. Just check the price out. Full Land Rover factory black pack. This car's got some really nice features like opening sliding roof, 19-inch wheels, steps, the black pack, the bonnet decal, air suspension, keyless entry, and it looks great. The contrast between Fuji white and the black pack with the gloss black roof, it does have that look about it. It's head turning, and in a new condition for a 110, it is great value. So from the front end, these 110s are a big vehicle. They are. They dwarf a Range Rover Sport, and they're very popular. We're selling no ends of these cars. You'll see we've got a good selection on our website, but this one is the best value for money one we've had for a while. Full black exterior pack with black badges, black inserts into the grille. You've got black light surrounds, bonnet decal, black inserts into the bonnet, and the black roof with black mirror casings. The car comes with the 3D surround view camera system. This car's got digital cockpit, 19-inch wheels, gloss black wing inserts, steps gloss black as well. These little buttons here, they're your keyless entry. That is an option on a Defender 110 and a 90. Black roof rails, black roof. And they're an aggressive car. They're a road presence car. You'll see we've got a fixed spare wheel cover in gloss black as well with that lovely contrast. Air suspension switchable in the boot, and this is what these 110s are all about. So if you've got a family, really the 90 might not be big enough in the back, but the 110 is, and they're very popular. Air suspension switchable from these buttons here. So you've got a adapter there for your plug socket, soft closing rear door, lovely LED square lights, centers at the front and the back, mud flaps, another option. Then inside, full black leather interior, stunning in car inside and out, in a lovely condition. It's only covered 10,000 miles, balance of Land Rover warranty until 2024, but look at that sunroof, tilt and slide. Other features that I like on these Defenders, when you're going to buy one of these, it is important to get it styled properly. So the black roof makes a difference. You know, everyone knows that the black styling pack makes a difference, but even subtle features you might not notice. The roof rails, they make a big difference to the way these cars look and the way they sit on the road. So this car's got keyless entry, it's got full leather interior, it's got electric lumbar support, it's obviously automatic. But nowadays, these new Defenders, when you buy them, they don't come standard with a lot of features. So the digital dashboard in one of these is now an option. And that's a big thing, but you do get loads of creature comforts. The big feature on them, obviously, Land Rover Assist, Land Rover Warranty, that comes with the car for the next owner for the balance. So you've still got 2 years warranty and Land Rover Assist with it. It will come fully prepared, but with one owner and 10,000 miles, it doesn't need anything really. It's stunning. Jumping in, I've mentioned the digital cockpit. It's keyless entry, it's also keyless start. Very quiet noise when you start these up. It's not a usual cluggy diesel noise, it's quiet. It's a 3-litre diesel, it's 250 brake horsepower, so it's got a little bit of punch about it. Excellent high driving position. I've got one of these cars myself. I'm a great advocate of a Defender 110. It gives me everything that I want from a car: space, drive height, looks and performance. And there's nothing else that I would personally buy right now than one of these cars. Inside, the digital cockpit, which is all switchable. You see the steering wheel. We've got a full leather wrap steering wheel. We've got lane departure and cruise control, voice control and stereo controls, and Bluetooth controls on the left-hand side. The camera system is always a big feature. Reverse camera, off-road camera, on-road camera. And then we've got this excellent 3D surround view camera system. There's cameras all over this car, and it is brilliant. Other great features, you've got climate control, which is digital. You've got air suspension, which is switchable just behind the gear stick here. You've got heated front and rear screens. You've got heated seats, which is a push of that button and a twist. Lots of USBs, sockets down here, under the armrest, 2 keys for the car. But let's not forget to mention this touchscreen interface, which has got weight sensing. You can literally do everything. Low traction launch. Don't forget, it's an unbelievable off-road vehicle, this. So it has the capability of going anywhere. Navigation, real-time navigation. your Bluetooth, your smartphone interface. It's a very modern vehicle with the sunroof, which is a big feature. I don't think there's another vehicle in this price range with a sunroof that looks like this for sale today, and that's a big selling point. My name's Richard. Call me about this lovely Defender. You can WhatsApp me or text me any time of the day, and I will love to speak to you. Thanks for watching.